She brought this up herself? You're not pulling my leg. She can always turn back before the end, you know? Maybe she'll remember Trian's sacrifice. Maybe she'll remember the countless martyred Chrysos heirs. Maybe she'll remember you. With your one foot in the grave. I ain't as optimistic as you about what she'll want to do.
As will you, Sypha, when you finally make up your mind.
Here! Catch!
In that case, let's make a pact with those conditions. I hope you're prepared to lose it all.